In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Gmail account without phone number. We'll follow Google's official recovery flow and use a recovery email instead of a phone, keeping the process simple and secure. Start by going to the Gmail login page in your web browser. If you're on a shared computer, a private or incognito window helps ensure none of your information is saved. Enter the email address for the account you want to recover, then click Next. Double-check there are no typos or extra spaces so you're working with the correct account. On the password screen, click Forgot Password. Google may first ask for the last password you remember. Enter the most recent one you can recall, even if it's only a close guess. This contributes to verifying the account is yours. If that doesn't work, or you can't remember any old passwords, try another way. Since we're recovering without a phone number, look for the option to use your recovery email if you previously set one up. Select the option to send a verification code to your recovery email and keep the recovery page open. In a new tab or on another device, open that recovery inbox and look for an email from Google with your code. If it's not in the main inbox, refresh and check spam or promotions. These messages can land there. Codes are time-sensitive, so use it promptly. Go back to the recovery page and enter the code exactly as shown. If the code doesn't work or has expired, request a new one and try again carefully. Depending on your account, Google may also ask a few security questions. Answer them as accurately and consistently as you can. Even approximate but truthful answers help confirm ownership. Once your identity is verified, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Pick a strong, unique password you haven't used on this account before, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess like common words or personal details. Storing it in a reputable password manager can help you keep it safe and memorable. After entering your new password, click Save. You should see confirmation that your password has been changed and you can now sign in with your updated credentials. That's the complete process for recovering a Gmail account without a phone number. Start at the login page, choose Forgot Password, try another way, verify through your recovery email, answer any security questions, set a new password, and save. Take your time, double-check each entry, and you'll be back into your inbox smoothly and securely.